Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I would like to discuss about the jobs that I have posted today or recently. So basically I opened my LinkedIn and before we start the video, right, I wanted to let you know that I am posting jobs for every 5 minutes. So I would recommend you to follow my profile in the LinkedIn, which is Prakash K. You can search in search bar or else I will share the link in the description. You can open it and follow it so that, you'll get lots of jobs informations. So let's talk about jobs. So the job opening 9685, Eclairs company is hiring for senior process manager at Pune location. You can apply to the job using this link. So let me open the link. So if you notice, whenever I click on the link, it will redirect to the company website. So basically, that means I'm pulling the job from the Career websites and I'm posting it here. So, for example, for Eclex company, right, the job role is senior process manager in Pune. You can apply through the job using this button. So you can click on apply now, and you can enter your email address. It will ask you the resume. Keep your resume in handy and do the rest process. And let's talk about job opening 9684. Zwara company is hiring for VP of Engineering and Country Manager India at Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 96I3. Citigroup company is hiring for senior analyst engineer, seat well, at Chennai location. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 96I2. Eclipse company is hiring for analyst at Mohali, Punjab, India. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9681. Paytm company is hiring for telecaller associate, leading collections at Mumbai location. Can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9650. GE Healthcare company is hiring for staff software engineer position at Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9677. Reza company is hiring for associated technical program analyst at Bangalore location, India. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9676. Intercontinental Exchange company is hiring for senior developer at Hyderabad. You can apply to the job using this link. Okay, so you can apply to the job by clicking on apply here. So if you notice, all the jobs will redirect you to the company website. Job opening 9675. Misho company is hiring for associate creative director at Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9673. Darwin Box company is hiring for account executive at Houston, Texas, United States. You can apply to the job using this link. So guys, in this way, I'm posting the job for every 5 minutes. So I recommend you take a look at my profile and apply for the jobs. So I put a lot of efforts to collect those jobs. So take advantage of it. And that's it for this video. Not forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information. Thank you and have a great day.